How to remove your EBT card from DoorDash. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove your EBT card from DoorDash. For this, open up any web browser and search for DoorDash. Now, you want to head over to this website, which is DoorDash.com. Make sure to sign into your account by entering your credentials. Now, from the left-hand side panel, you want to scroll down and find the option of Account. Now, here you will have different options. Simply click on the one that says Payment. All of your payment methods will be shown over here. At the top, you have your payment methods. At the bottom, you have your program cards. If you have added your EBT card, you're going to see it over here. Now, next to your EBT card, you're going to find a trash can icon. Simply click on that. Now, it's going to ask you for confirmation. Confirm that you want to remove your EBT card. And with this, your EBT card will be successfully removed from your DoorDash account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.